Welcome to STEAM Careers for Kids. Today let's talk about letter C for chemistry. Have you ever wondered why things change? Like, why does bread turn toasty brown in the oven? Or how come fireworks light up the sky in a burst of color? That's chemistry in action. Chemistry is like magic, but it's real. It's the study of what it's made of, how it changes, and what happens when we mix things up. Pretty cool, right? Chemistry is happening all around us, from the food we eat to the air we breathe. It's a big, exciting world just waiting to be discovered. So, put on your thinking caps, grab your lab coats, or just an old shirt, and get ready for a thrilling adventure into the amazing world of chemistry. Everything in the universe, from the smallest ant to the biggest star, is made of tiny particles called atoms. These atoms are so small you can't even see them with a regular microscope. But even though they're tiny, atoms are the building blocks of everything we see and touch. Atoms like to stick together, and when they do, they make something called molecules. Molecules are just groups of atoms that hang out together. Think of it like this. Atoms are like Lego bricks, and molecules are the cool things you build with them. Have you ever wondered how rainbows get their beautiful colors? It's all thanks to chemistry and a little help from our friend, the sun. Sunlight is actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow mixed. When light passes through raindrops, it bends and separates into those different colors, creating a beautiful arc of color in the sky. We can see this same color separation when we use prisms, or even when we see light reflecting off a soap bubble. It's like magic, but it's pure science. Chemistry helps us understand how light and water interact to create one of nature's most amazing displays. Building blocks of matter. Let's make molecules. Remember those atoms we talked about? The ones that are like tiny pieces of a puzzle. Well, when atoms combine, they form molecules. And molecules make up everything around us. Water, for example, is made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. That's why we call it H2O. We can represent molecules using models. A model is like a simplified picture of something that helps us understand it better. We can use different colored balls to represent different types of atoms and sticks to show the bonds between them. It's like building with tiny toys, magic or chemistry. It's all about reactions. One of the most exciting things about chemistry is reactions. A chemical reaction is when we mix substances and they change and form something new. It's like magic, but it's all about how the atoms and molecules rearrange themselves. Think about baking a cake. You mix ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and baking powder. When you heat them in the oven, they react and transform into a delicious cake. That's chemistry in action, turning simple ingredients into something completely different and yummy. Chemistry is everywhere. Chemistry isn't just something you do in a lab. It's happening all around us all the time, from the way plants use sunlight to make food, photosynthesis, to the way our bodies digest food and give us energy, chemistry is at work. The more you learn about chemistry, the more you'll see it everywhere you look. It's in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and even the clothes we wear. Chemistry is essential for life, and it's pretty amazing. So what do you think? Chemistry is pretty cool, right? The best part is that anyone can be a scientist. All you need is curiosity, a questioning mind, and a sense of adventure. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, never stop learning. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll make an amazing discovery that changes the world. The future of science is in your hands, young scientists. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this career on chemistry. See you next time. Remember to be the dream.